Getting started on Vipas.AI. Accessing Vipas.AI. First, launch your web browser and navigate to Vipas.AI. This is the starting point for creating and managing your AI models. Logging in. Ensure you are logged in to your Vipas.AI account. If you are not logged in, click on the Login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your credentials to log in. If you do not have an account, follow the prompts to create one and gain access to the platform. Creating a new model. Once logged in, click on the Create button in the navigation bar. This action will guide you to the model creation interface where you can start setting up your new AI project. Starting your model setup. Naming your model. Begin by entering a descriptive name for your model in the name field. This name will help users and yourself quickly identify the model across the platform. Selecting model type. In the type dropdown, select Model. This specifies the nature of your project and helps the system provide relevant options for AI configurations. Choosing a category. From the category dropdown, select a category that best describes your model's application area. This helps in organizing models on the platform and facilitates easier discovery by users interested in specific domains. Adding a project image. To make your model visually appealing and easily recognizable, upload a project image. This image will be displayed on cards throughout the platform and used in shareable links, ensuring your model looks compelling when shared on social media or other platforms through Open Graph (OG) tags. This step enhances visibility and engagement, making your model stand out. Adjusting permissions. Search visibility. Choose between public or private to control if your model appears in search results. API access. Set this to public if you want others to access your model's functionality through APIs, or keep it private for restricted access. Share model. Choose if you want to enable sharing of your model's files with other users. Setting pricing. Enter a price per prediction if you wish to monetize the usage of your model. This is how you can generate revenue every time someone uses your model for a successful prediction. Remember, API access must be public to enable monetization. Describing your model. Provide a description in the description field, outlining the purpose, core functionality, and any unique features of your model. Writing a detailed blog. In the Details section, use the editor to write a blog post about your model. This is an opportunity to dive deep into your model's functionality, showcase its potential use cases, and highlight any technical advancements it offers. Agreeing to terms and conditions. Before you can create your project, review and accept the terms and conditions. This is crucial to ensure compliance with platform policies and to confirm your understanding of the usage rights and responsibilities associated with hosting and distributing your model. Vipas.AI. Creating your project. Once you have filled out all necessary fields, written a detailed blog, and agreed to the terms and conditions, click the Create button. This will submit all your information and initiate the project creation process on Vipas.AI. Uploading and staging your model. Select Model Framework. Choose XGBoost and ensure your model files are in the correct format. Refer to the help texts for guidance on the file types and the directory structure supported. For additional information or assistance, check out our detailed documentation at docs.vipas.ai. Prepare and upload files. File naming. Use only allowed characters, alphanumeric, hyphen, underscore, dot. File names. Avoid spaces to prevent issues during processing. Directory structure. Ensure your XGBoost model is a single .bst file. The .bst file should contain your trained model, which can be used directly for inference. Uploading files. Click Choose File to upload your XGBoost.bst file according to the specified formats and structure. Initiating staging. After uploading your files, hit the Upload button. This triggers the staging process where the system will perform validation checks on your files, ensuring they are in the correct format and ready for deployment. Optional. Adding a processor. What is a processor? Processor pre-processes or post-processes data before or after it is handled by your model. Define processor functions. Create pre-process and post-process functions to handle data transformations with exception handling and logging. Choose base image. Use VPS Processor Base 1.0 as the base image and test locally before deploying on Vipas.AI. Provide GitHub repository details. Enter your GitHub URL and personal access token PAT for authentication and click on the Pull button for file fetching. Click on the file name in the table. This action will open a pop-up displaying the content of the file, giving you a quick preview. Initiate build for processor. Click the Build button to initiate the staging process. Review and completion final review. Carefully review all the configurations and files you have uploaded. Ensure that every detail accurately reflects your intended model setup. This step is crucial to prevent any issues post-deployment. Click on Finish. Once you are satisfied with the configuration and have completed all necessary checks, click on the Finish button to complete the model creation process. Redirect to Projects table. After clicking Finish, you will be redirected to the Projects table. This table lists all your projects and provides a quick overview of their status and key details. Checking model status. In the Projects table, locate your newly created project and check its status. Ensure that the status is marked as staged, indicating that the model is ready for further actions like deployment or testing. Detailed status check. To get a more detailed view of the individual statuses for your model and processor, click on the Model ID in the Projects table. This will take you to a detailed table where you can see the staging status of the model and the build status of the processor separately. The overall status shown in the Projects table is a combined indication of these two statuses. Accessing reports. Click on the Reports option in the row menu of your project. Here, you can access both the security report and the validation report. These reports provide insights into any issues or warnings that need addressing in case of staging failed status. Security report. Review this report to identify any potential security vulnerabilities within your model setup. Validation report. Check this report for validation results to ensure your model files meet all platform requirements. Addressing issues. If any issues are identified in the reports, make the necessary adjustments to your model configuration or files to resolve them. This step is crucial to ensure the smooth operation and deployment of your model. Editing your project. Click on the Edit option in the row menu of your specific project. This will take you to the Edit page where you can make modifications. You can make extensive modifications to your model. Update the model's description, adjust pricing, redefine permissions, or replace model files as necessary. However, note that the project name and project type are fixed post-creation and cannot be altered to maintain consistency. Viewing project details. Click on the View option in the row menu of your specific project. This will open a pop-up window displaying a comprehensive preview of all the model's details. Preview pop-up. Preview pop-up will present an overview of your model, including its name, description, category, pricing, permission settings, model files, and processor file. This serves as a quick reference to ensure all details are accurate and complete. Review all sections, including the description, to ensure it accurately describes the model's functionality and use cases.